Yoga is a holistic practice that combines physical movement, breathing, and mindfulness to promote overall health. Yoga weaves together body and mind, creating a beautiful balance. It's a journey beyond stretches and physical poses, nurturing inner strength and peace. With each breath, mental clarity enhances, and stress melts away, replaced by calmness and clarity. Yoga sharpens focus, improves concentration, lifts mental fog, and enhances creativity. Regular yoga practice sparks self-awareness, confidence, and a deeper connection to yourself. As you move through poses, body, mind, and spirit align, enhancing overall well-being and happiness. Yoga, particularly when practiced before bed, can significantly improve sleep quality by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Yoga creates a foundation for growth, self-awareness, and profound transformation. Let's add yoga to our daily routine for a happier mind and a stronger body, and radiate positivity, energy, and joy.